Hey there, this is a therapist nomad. I hope you have been liking this series on walking tours in Barcelona, and guess where we're going today? We're going to the beach. If you're not ready for the beach yet, make sure you visit my previous walking tours. One which will show you around the Gothic neighborhood, cool structures, and Montjuic. And the second one, which is tours around Gaudi's greatest work of art. But no more talking, and let's get started with our last walking tour video in Barcelona. Your visit to Barcelona is going to be incomplete unless you go to the beach. This is one of the reasons why a lot of people choose to live in this city. Barcelona offers the perfect balance between a metropolitan city and the boho beach vibes. For this walking tour, I recommend you start at Plaza de Catalunya, which is located in the heart of the city of Barcelona. It's often the meeting point for locals and visitors. Plaza Catalunya is also the scene of some of Barcelona's most important events. Music concerts, festivals, trade fairs, cultural events, protests, demonstrations, sporting celebrations, among others, happen in the plaza. The plaza is filled with fountains, statues, and open spaces. Certainly is a beautiful place. From here, head down through La Rambla. It's a super popular street that stretches for about 1.3 kilometers in the middle of a pedestrian zone along Plaza Catalunya. There are several local vendors selling art, restaurants, historical buildings, monuments, and a lot of people. Please be aware of your belongings here because this is supposed to be the place where you can get your pockets cleaned out. But don't be scared, there's no violence or scary robbery, just pickpocketers. But anyway, on the bright side, this street is very important in Barcelona for many reasons, including the fact that La Rambla used to be a meeting place for artists between the 19th and 20th century. Visit Café de la Ópera, where artists held political and cultural debates back in the day. At the end of La Rambla, you're going to find the important monument of Cristo Alcolon. The monument is 60 meters tall, where at the tip, Colombus is standing proudly pointing out towards the sea. Apparently, there's a lift running through the center of the tower that takes you to the top, where you will have a panoramic view of the city. We did not go up, but we did enjoy the amazing view there is to offer in the area. It's lovely. Our next stop is Plaza De La Barceloneta. You will have to head northeast for 20 minutes while you enjoy the pleasant breeze from the sea that is approaching. Plaza De La Barceloneta will give you a taste of the historical center of Barceloneta. All of the buildings are smaller and simpler with very narrow balconies. Most of the windows are covered with blue and yellow flags, which are the ancient symbol of La Barceloneta. This area is very authentic. We had tapas and a drink at restaurant Marisma Barceloneta, which is right at the entrance of Mercado Barceloneta. But I recommend you save your appetite for an amazing paella at the beach. And talking about the beach, here we are. I'm not sure if you know, but La Barceloneta as it is today was constructed by local residents during the 18th century. Before it looked the way it looks today, it was unvisited except for fishermen. There are 4 beaches in Barceloneta, including San Sebastián, the one that we are at today, and it's near the iconic W Barcelona hotel. The main beach of Barceloneta, Saint Miguel, and Somorrostro. Guys, this was for sure my favorite walk in Barcelona. I had such a freeing and lovely time walking by the beach, enjoying the beautiful sunset, seeing happy people enjoying themselves and doing sports, playing games and hanging out with friends and family. I love to feel the fresh ocean breeze and of course savoring a super delicious paella at Pez Vela. This restaurant is right under the W and it is touristy and popular, but it offers a solid and delicious paella. Without a doubt, there is an unparalleled beauty to this sea district. After this experience, it was near impossible not to fall in love with Barcelona. Now I get why everyone loves this city. I hope you enjoyed this walking tours with me as much as I did. Have a wonderful day.